Ladies and gentlemen, ensure your phones are switched off and take your seats for the Punctuation Show.
Punctuation Show. Hello and welcome to the Punctuation Show. My name is Barry and today we're going to be talking about
pronouns.
Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns or noun phrases. We use these words to avoid repetition in sentences or paragraphs. The most common type of pronoun is the personal pronoun. They're divided into first, second, and third person. For example, I is the first person singular. You is the second person singular. He or she represent the third person singular. We is first person plural. You stays the same as second person plural. They represents third person plural. First person refers to the writer or speaker. Second person refers to the person or people being addressed. Third person refers to anyone or anything else being addressed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your turn.
Which of the following is a pronoun? Cat, building, or it?
Your time starts now! That's right! It could stand in place of either of the other two nouns.
Remember.
Verbs will react differently depending on the pronoun used.
Grammar Aquarium!
Now then, Steve-O, you know what we were discussing the other week? No. You know, about the fact that a pronoun can actually replace another noun in a sentence. Oh yeah, I do remember now. Well, you know what's coming next? Let me guess. You've got a joke about that. That's right. What kind of a noun gets paid a lot of money? I don't know. A pronoun. Oh, that's rubbish. You know, because pro means professional. Yeah, I get Professionals that. Get paid lots of money. I understand that. It's just not very on. Good. Give me some.
Grammar Aquarium!
Pronouns are a type of word that replace noun phrases or nouns. I, you, he, she, we, who, they are the most common, the personal pronouns. Pronouns help to avoid repetition, and that really is a great proposition. Let's hope this song will give you some tuition and help you on this to first, second and third person. It refers to who is being addressed. You don't need to be a brain surgeon. Pronouns help to avoid repetition, and that really is a great proposition. Let's hope this song will give you some tuition and help you on this learning mission. Verbs will react differently depending on the pronoun used. Simply conjugate your verb if you're starting to get confused. Pronouns help to avoid repetition, and that really is a great proposition. Let's hope this song will give you some tuition and help you on this learning mission.
Hello there, Lord Syntax here. One of our traditional country ways is shooting to get rid of pests. One of those pests, pronouns. Those little words that go around replacing nouns or noun phrases in sentences to avoid repetition. Anyway, pesky pronouns! Now get off my property.
And we'll see you next time.
Punctuation Show.